Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here in Palm Springs and I am loving life by the pool. I got sent a huge box of goodies and I wanted to share it all with you guys. Oh my gosh, my hair looks like a palm tree today. Okay, so Global Media PR, who I've worked with at Fashion Week before, was so nice to send me this brand new brand called Petal Fresh Superfoods and Hair Rest Products. She picked my faves, so can't wait to see what she picked for me. She said they're all vegan, everything's cruelty-free, gluten-free, and super clean. No sulfates, parabens, phthalates, GMOs, or other toxic ingredients. The Kale Shampoo, a Kale Shampoo and conditioner is available at select Target stores in their new clean beauty section. Oh my gosh, Target.com as well. The other products can be found on Petal Fresh, P-E-T-A-L, fresh.com, Amazon.com, as well in local stores. Okay, so I am going to try these out. I've already kind of like snuck in a little bit to see what's going on here. There's so much. So, first, because I already had to see what it was. This is the Hair Rest, and it's a hairspray. Style and thicken, strong and hold. Okay, so you know how I love my hair right now. I'm gonna try it out. It smells really good. I really like that. Okay, so here's the cap. I'm gonna do like a little, so you guys can see. Comes out good, okay? See how we like this right now? Let's see how I keep it the hold. I have nothing in my hair right now, okay? It's very light. And it smells good. You know how hairspray sometimes feel like toxic? This smells so good. I just want to keep spraying it. Love it. Okay. We'll see how that holds up while we do the rest of the unboxing here. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, it looks like we have some coconut milk, vitamin E, spiced chai, ultra hydrating shower milk. That sounds amazing. It almost sounds like a Starbucks in the bath. I love it. Or in the shower. Okay, this is, the Kale Omega-3 shampoo. Okay, so this is that really cool shampoo. Like, I've never even heard of Kale being something, oh my god, I can already feel the hairspray harden. Yes. Strong hold, look. Remember before my hair was like moving like crazy? Nothing. And it's not even been like a minute. I love it. Okay, Kale Omega-3 Keratin Shampoo for damage control. So it says strengthens hair shaft, mends split ends, and repairs damaged hair. Okay, I'm down to try this. Like, that sounds amazing. Okay, next box. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, what is this? Thickening Conditioner, normal hair. Noticeably for thinning hair. Hey, I got thin hair. I'm not thinning, or I got thin hair though, but this might make it a lot, maybe a little more thick. Let's look at this. Style and thicken whole gel. Okay, cool. I haven't used gel in a while because I've been like water and hairspray boy, but I've been really dying to try something. And this is a 2-in-1 formula, style and treat, all day hold. That just makes it thick. All day thickening. Okay, lightweight. Oh, it's lightweight. Because you know when those gels are so like, they're so thick, and then you're like, oh, did I get it all in? And then it like starts hardening and gets crusty. But this sounds really nice. Definitely gonna try it. Thank you, thank you. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, another ultimate thickening shampoo. Okay, so I guess I need to be thickening my hair. I probably do. It's very, very stringy. Oh, it feels good. I love the smell of it though. Okay. Oh, good. This is the conditioner for the Kale. So when I use the shampoo, then I can use this as the conditioner. Strengthens hair shaft, mends split, and repairs damaged hair. It says color safe, vegan, no parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates. Our damage control conditioner provides this perfect supplement to extend the effects of damage control shampoo, strengthen hair, and improve elasticity with our blend of kale extract and omega-3 with keratin products infused radiance and vibrancy to add shine back to your hair. Well, I am down. It smells good too. What's this? Oh my gosh. Almond butter, vitamin K, coconut oil, Moisturizing treatment powder. Okay, who doesn't like a good moisturizer? This looks amazing. It's sheer, helps prevent moisture loss, smoothen and soften the skin, leave skin glowy and radiant. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me do like, I think that's it in here. That is a lot. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. So look at this. I'm gonna put it all up so you guys can see. But I love the packaging. It is gorgeous. And it's available at all Target. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. Look at this. I can't wait to try that. That's the shower milk. This is the thickening shampoo and conditioner. Okay, I'm down to try that. My hair is so thin. Style and Thicken, which we tried, and it works amazing. The Kale 3 and Omega and conditioner. That's a completely different one. The almond butter and, oh my god, treatment butter, moisturizing lotion. And then we have the gel, the Style and Thicken gel. So remember, it's all made by Petal Fresh. They have the Hair Rest and Superfood brand. And I am just so excited to try the spice chai in the Starbucks shower. Okay, everyone. Well, just wanted to give you a sneak peek into that. And so far, amazing. Look. Amazing hold. I'm down. I love it. Thank you so much, everyone at Global Media PR. And thank you so much, everyone at Petal Fresh. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.